Yo, what's up, guys? Today I have this ratchet Kenmore fan. It's ratchet because I took all the lights out of the light kit so I can make it a switch cap, and two of the blades broke, so now it's only 4 bladed, and it has this Brookhurst blade, and I split the blades in half so it could fit in the 52-inch blades when it hit this part. And focus. Alright. And like it's mounted like onto the original, like so when you pull the chain it would clock back like that. See, watch this. Here's low speed. Pretty fast fan because the blades aren't that heavy anymore. It got up to speed like really fast. Let's move on to medium speed. Man, that breeze feels good. Oh, well, it's like a freaking high speed the way it clocks back. It does wobble a lot. And the ceiling fan was rescued from the side of the street. And where it's why there used to be a light fixture here, took it down and placed that nail in there very securely. It was a very long nail, so it's mounted up there securely. It's like really long. Here's high speed. In reverse, it just, that's ridiculous. Guys, I never had a Hutchie original before. Does it really clock back like that? But anyways, that's it. I have to put tape on one of the blades. Yes, this one. So, cause like it's a crack right there. So, yeah. And I left it on high, so